Hey guys, it's Crystal Liz, and I'm here with Tatiana Venti.
Just created.
Created with this hairstyle because we're channeling a certain pop star. I'm gonna show you tons of hair hacks, tons of sass. This hair brings out the sass in you. For this half ponytail look, I used clip-ins and a wrap pony, so it got crazy. So I've set all of her hair in these like beautiful rollers, and I've done the same thing to the extensions I'm gonna add, and then I'm gonna brush them out. So I am gonna use hairspray, and I'm gonna do texture spray as well. We're just gonna brush all these out. And we're gonna try to hide her bangs. So I set them all backwards, because we're gonna do like a half up pony. So I'm gonna section from, I guess like right where the ear is, and I'm gonna go all the way to like the top of the crown. So I'm not doing a whole pack of clip-ins back here. You could, but I think I'm just gonna do like half of a set. I'm gonna go 2-piece, 3-piece, and then if I can fit a 4-piece in, we'll see. So you tease where the clip is gonna go so that the clip has something to hold on to. So I'm gonna do the 3-piece on top of the 2-piece. I mean, not on top, but above. You know what I mean? So this is a 4-piece, so it went 2, 3, 4. I decided to add one more piece, just one like 2-clip piece, just cause why not? Anyhoozle. Just recurling some pieces. So I'm moving on to the ponytail, and I'm just putting like a little bit of like a pomade. I'm just gonna run through it, kind of smooth everything down. This is a facelift right here. Yeah, it's like,
thanks, I need one of those, it's funny.
I like to spray my brush with hairspray. So I got her bangs in. I'm just gonna put it in a regular ponytail. I have my prepped ponytail, and I'm gonna put the clip right in the pony. I'm gonna wrap it around, and then I'm gonna take like a flocked hairpin. So I'm gonna wrap this. Oh my God, you look like such a thought, and I love it.
Yeah, this is a 90s pop star.
Yes, you do look like a 90s pop star. And then I'm just gonna take you can use a toothbrush, you can use a mascara wand, and I'm just gonna like smooth it out. For brunettes, you really need to like fill in, like I'm gonna fill in like this part so you don't see that like hard line. I'm gonna fill in a little bit around her hairline. Huge hair hack, gotta do it. Everybody's gotta do it. So I like to spray a little bit of hairspray, and then I have like a powder, and you just like floof it in. You're not bald. Okay, so I have a name for this look. Everyone meet Tatiana Venti. That's your drag persona.
It's me.
It me, Tatiana Venti. Thank you guys so much for watching Hair Hacks. If there's any hair hacks that you guys want to see, let us know. Also, if you recreate any of these looks, we're dying to see it. Tag us. We want to see your looks. Thank you so much. We love you.